Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Breaking news in the AI world. ChatGPT's secret data retention policy exposed. Imagine having your private conversations with a large language model as permanent records that could be accessed by anyone, including companies and organizations you've never heard of. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not too far from reality for millions of people who use ChatGPT daily. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has confirmed that it must now retain all user data indefinitely due to a court order issued by a U.S. judge. This means that nearly every conversation users have with ChatGPT will be archived forever, including those that would normally be deleted after just 30 days. That's right, folks, your daily chats with ChatGPT could be kept on file for years, potentially raising serious privacy concerns. But how did this happen? According to Brad Lightcap, COO of OpenAI, the company is being forced to comply with an excessive legal demand made by the New York Times. The paper is suing OpenAI to investigate whether the chatbot can be prompted to reproduce copyrighted articles originally published on the web. But what's surprising is that this lawsuit has led to a fundamental change in ChatGPT's data retention policy, one that conflicts with OpenAI's long-standing commitment to user privacy. In fact, trust and privacy are at the core of everything OpenAI does, and yet this court order seems to abandon those very principles. The company argues that the Times request goes too far, but the damage is already done. Users will now have their conversations stored indefinitely. And it's not just individual users who are affected. Even API users and some organizations will be impacted by this new data retention policy. Now, OpenAI says that access to this data will be limited to a designated legal team operating under strict audit protocols, and solely for the purpose of complying with court-mandated obligations. But while that might provide some comfort, it's hard not to wonder what could happen if this precedent is set. Would companies start requesting permanent records of users' interactions with their own services? The implications are serious, and we'll be keeping a close eye on how this situation unfolds. In the meantime, ChatGPT Insights will continue to monitor the situation and provide you with updates as more information becomes available. In fact, we're already seeing some organizations taking steps to align with Europe's stringent privacy requirements in response to this news. It's clear that the world of AI is still evolving, and we need to stay vigilant when it comes to protecting our digital rights. Thanks for tuning in to ChatGPT Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest developments in AI and technology.